Purchasing the best car insurance. Previously, vehicle protection was not a need as certain individuals pulled out all the stock and some did not. Notwithstanding today, an auto inflation strategy is one of the significant things in your day-to-day existence. Assuming that you own a vehicle, individuals need appropriate inclusion regardless of how lavish or unassuming their vehicle is. The manner in which individual purchase protection has likewise changed. Previously, purchasing a vehicle protection just intended to meet your local specialist and ask him for it. Be that as it may, presently it is fairly unique as you have bunch of different choices available to you from where you can get your vehicle protected with some altogether new inflation decision. Purchasing vehicle protection which technique to fee. Whenever we need protection for your vehicle, we may be bewildered as from where you ought to get it. Would it be advisable for you to manage a protection specialist or would it be a good idea for you to go on the web? You can pick among various sources for getting your vehicle protection. This incorporates purchasing from the Who's-Tax specialist, purchasing from autonomous specialist, purchasing on the web, individual who learn toward individual administration and like to frame eye-to-eye contaction are to absolutely by their strategy for a specialist, be that as it may since there are various specialists, they need to conclude which one is the most ideal best for them. Among these, some are the called autonomous specialists who sell protection for quite a long time, and some are who takes specialists who sell protection for only one firm. Allow us to say the various elements for this specialist, so you can source effectively and repeatedly the right specialist for yourself. Purchasing from the who stays specialist. We should purchase your inflation from a hostage specialist, assuming that you are the committed to a particular protection firm. Since hostage specialist manage just one organization, they will know all the different protection choices presented by that organization. Fortunate along this line, they can help you to fabric the right bundle in right of the your requirement. Be that as it may, Ustek, a specialist might invest in some opportunity to answer to your inquiry and to realize your requirement when contract with pre specialist who work from communication. Hey. Purchasing from a tournament specialist, we should purchasing a strategy from a pre-specialist to look at the sales protections given by various organizations and automation specialist manage a few organizations and not only one specific production from this way you can improve rate. Quartz machines pre-specialists are not specifically utilized by one firm. They would not promote one specialist item and would educate you the right things concerning every one of the production. Hence, automation specialist can help you to track down reasonable inflation for your vehicle. In any case, since they work communication they are filling the sequence that stands and arrangement is defined. Purchasing on the web, the third choice is to skip production specialist totally and to work significantly with the organization on the web. In any case, for this you need to do majority of the work yourself. We need to let an executive exploration on various installation suppliers, what they offer, the phase of their insurance, and what every one of their contractor covers. They at that point we can converse with the organization the best meets your requirement to secure the actual installation. Among the some insurance agency that utilize especially do not recurrent, we do work with them, and to a couple of them do not utilize especially by any means purchasing accident coverage warning is the probably the most ideal choice for you to get safe vehicle protection, as it saves you from paying commission to a protection specialist on the off sense that you are don't know about your vehicle protection needs. Then at the point purchasing vehicle protection on the web without a protection specialist can make you purchase some unacceptable, excessively little or a lot of protection. Select your sort of inflation other than in concluding which organization to go with. You should likewise consider which strategy we need. There are three primary sort of arrangement, including conventional utilization based and per mile vehicle protection. Thus, examine these three vehicle protection inclusion program before you settle for one specific vehicle protection. Conventional and constellation protection. In this sort of the constellation protection, the safety net providers recite the statements for the approach with the assistance of the different individual variable. For example, we use the driving history orientation FICO assignment at so on. For the most part, the more gamble you have as the driver according to this element, the more high your production rates will be. In this, we can settle on base inclusion sum according on the settled regulation on probably we can source for an extensive rundown of the various kinds of collision protection inclusion. Use best collision protection.